Today, I'll show you how to unblock email in Gmail. If you've accidentally blocked someone or you're just not receiving messages from a particular sender anymore, this quick walkthrough will help you restore their emails to your inbox in just a few clicks. We'll go step by step inside your Gmail settings, look at where blocked addresses are stored, and then unblock the sender you want. Stay with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go anytime you need to manage blocked email addresses. First, open Gmail. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing into your account if you're not already logged in. While there is a Gmail app on phones and tablets, the process we're covering here works best and is most complete on the desktop or browser version. Once your inbox is open and you can see your emails, you're ready for the next part. Now we're going to open the settings. Look toward the top right corner of the Gmail window. You'll see a small gear icon, often called the settings icon. Click on that gear. A quick settings panel will slide open on the right-hand side of your screen. In that panel, don't worry about all the options for themes or layouts right now. Instead, look for the link that says something like See All Settings and click that. This takes you to the full settings page where the tools for filters and blocked addresses are located. Once the full settings page loads, you'll see several tabs across the top, such as General, Labels, and Others. You're going to look for the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click on that tab. This section is where Gmail keeps track of all the filters you've created, as well as any email addresses you've blocked in the past. Scroll down until you see the area that lists the following email addresses are blocked. Under this heading, you'll see a table or list of the email addresses that are currently blocked for your account. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the sender that you want to unblock. It might be a person, a newsletter, or any address you previously chose to block, sometimes even by accident if you clicked too quickly. When you've found the blocked sender you want to restore, look directly to the right of that email address. You should see an option labeled Unblock. Click the Unblock link next to that specific address. Gmail will usually show a small confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to unblock this sender. Confirm your choice. After that, the address will be removed from your blocked list. From this moment on, new messages from that sender will no longer be automatically sent to spam or blocked. They should now appear in your inbox or follow any other filters you might have set up. If you still don't see their messages, double check your spam folder or search for the sender's address in the search bar, just in case earlier emails were still filtered. And that's it. You've opened Gmail, gone into settings, visited the filters and blocked addresses tab, found the blocked sender, and clicked unblock. Now you know how to quickly fix things if an important email address ever gets blocked in your Gmail account.